Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about advertisement writing. This is the essay which is for BSc 3rd Sem Basic English. An advertisement is the promotion of a product, brand, service to a viewership in order to attract interest, engagement, and sales. Here, what is advertisement? There will be a question will be rising in everybody's mind. Here, advertisement means it is going to promoting the product, then it is going to sharing the product by the advertisement. It is going to attracting the customers. It is making interest to the customers. That is called as advertisement. By advertisement, then they are going to sell their goods to the customers. Here, an advertorial is the form advertisement in a newspaper, magazine, website which involves giving information about the product in the form of an article. Okay? An advertisement, it is the form of advertisement, then that they are going to advertising where in the newspaper, where in the TV, where in the magazine, where in the website, then it is going to involving giving info, it is going to involve and it gives information about the product, about the article, then it is going to attracting the customers by its advertisement. That is called as advertisement. Usually a brand pays the publisher for such an article. Advertorials are usually written by an agency or client itself. Advertisement, this is given by the agent, it is given by the brand owner, by them they are going to advertising. An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for a offering services, buying and selling property goods. Then an advertisement, it is the public notice. Everyone can observe the advertisement. Uh, everyone can see the advertisement, and then they are going to reacting for the advertisement. By reacting, they are going to taking the goods and products where in the company. Here, then an advertisement, it gives notice, it gives offer, it gives a service, then it is doing the job of buying and selling property, then of goods, property and goods. Here, it is providing information about missing persons pets, then what it is missing, what it is there, what is the quality of my product, what it is missing, what it is there in that they are going to showing where in the advertisement. Advertising is the best way to communicate to the customers. Then how the how they are going to reacting, how they are going to speaking with the customers means by the advertisement. Then advertisement is the best way to communicate with the customers. By that they are going to selling of their products. Then advertisement is the best nowadays. Advertising helps informs the customers about the variety of products useful to them. Then in advertisement, then we have see many advertisements. In that advertisements, they are going to giving then positive effect of that goods. Then what is the importance of that goods? Then what is the cost of that goods? Then how it is useful to the customers? That they are going to advertising where in the advertisement. It is the best practice to the advertisers to advertise where in the magazine, where in the movie, where in the TV, then wherever it may be, they are going to advertising and attracting to the customers. Advertising is for everybody, including kids, young and old. In advertisement, then everyone can see, everyone can advertise advertisement, then everyone can see whether kid, whether young, whether old, whether old, they are going to attracting by the advertisement. Even in modern days, then small kids are doing advertisement, then toothbrush advertisement, and many other advertisements are advertised by the kids. Then many of the advertisements are advertised by old people. Many of the advertisement is advertised by young people. Then it is depending on sequence. On basis of that, they are going to making advertisement wherein the TV. Advertising is essential, especially for a new product that has to be launched in the market. It is very, very essential. Suppose I am going to introduce of my new product, then through advertisement itself. No advertisement means it is highly impossible to me to sale of my product. To sale of my product. Then advertisement is helping to us to advertise of new product. Advertising helps convey the information regarding launch of the new product. Then it is advertisement. By the advertisement, we are going to launching of the new product, and how the product, and what is the uses of that product, that we are going to saying where in the advertisement. An advertisement copy is all the written or spoken matter in an advertisement expressed in words or sentences and figures designed to convey the desired message to target the consumers. Then advertisement, by making the copy means by written we are going to making the advertisement, by orally we are going to making the advertisement, by images we are going to making the advertisement, then by message we are going to making the advertisement, by designing we are going to making the advertisement. Then how means how it is going to affecting on the customers, then it is depending on the advertisement. Strictly speaking, written content of an ad copy is the product of the collective efforts copywriters, artists, and layout man. Then most of the advertisements were in written form. Then suppose I would like to advertise of my layout, then I have to print it, and I have to distribute to the public. Then I have to tell them, I have to convey them how is my layout, then how the drainage system, how the water system, how the lighting system, how the parking system, that I have to convey. How means by the help of print media. Print media is helping to convey the customers. In today's business world, marketing process are based on interaction between a business and the consumers. Today's world is full of competition, where in the field of advertisement, where in the field of business. Then how we are going to reacting to the consumers, how we are going to interacting with the consumers, that is very, very important. Advertising, advertising has been considered as a popular management tool for dealing with the highly rapid technological changes and also the marketing changes in today's competitive market. And this management tool refers to the reanalysis and redesign of tasks and also processes inside outside of the organization. This is very, very important for an organization, how they are going to redesign, how they are going to relook, how they are going to reanalysis of their advertisements. Then we are sticking for only old advertisements means it is not possible to them to advertise of their products. Then they have to know modern competition, modern issues, and modern advertisements are very, very important for an organization. Advertisement industry is a social institution born to fulfill human needs to require and send information about availability of product, brand, services. Here, advertising industry is going to fulfilling the needs of the customers, and it is going to giving the information what is available, what is not available in our organization. what is available, what is not available in our product, that they are going to advertising. Then they have to give good product, and they have to give good brand, they have to give good service to the customers. Then it is possible. Then how it is possible? It is only possible by the advertisement. Then how they are going to advertising? The same they have to give service to the customers. Of late, there has also been widespread feeling that advertising is a form of communication meant to explore the consumers. This is the form of communication. Then this is going to explore uh, uh, to the consumers. It is found that there is no relationship between age of the respondents and the level of impact of advertisement, and there is no relationship between income and satisfaction with advertised product at the time of using. Then no relationship between age of the respondents and level impact advertisement. Then what level our advertisement is impacting on the society, on the consumers, that is very very important. Then first relationship is important, not income. First we have to give relationship between the consumer and the seller. How we are going to selling our product to the consumer, whether the consumer is satisfying of my goods or not, that is very very important. Making money is not important where in the advertisement, where in the business. Then only making money means the company will be fall down as early as possible. Then it is falling as soon as. Advertisements have been used for many years to influence the buying behaviors of the consumers. Then advertisements they are giving how to buy the goods. Then they are going, nowadays it is more close to the customers, because there are Flipkart are there, many modern devices are there, modern electronic devices are there. By that they are going to purchase where in online. Advertisements are helpful in creating the awareness and perception among the customers of cosmetic products. Both of these variables are leather combination to influence the buying behaviors of the consumers. Advertisements they are going to creating awareness. Then how perceptions among the customers. Then they are going to giving awareness to the customers. They are giving perceptions to the customers, what the product is, how the product is, that they are going to giving awareness where in their advertisement. Advertising persuades the audience of usefulness of the product and makes them feel the need to have the product. Effective advertisement creates demand and makes a person to go shop and buy the product. Then effective advertisement is very, very important. It changes the person, it changes the society, it changes the mood of the customers. Then how they are going to buying, how they are going to buying the product, it is depending on the advertisements. It promotes new users of the product and helps the understanding the methods of using. Then it is the advertisement is going to giving knowledge to the consumers. Then how to use the product, then use of product, and how the product is utilized, then how the product is coming at least price. Attracts the customers with special offers like festival documents, stock clearance, sales, etc. Then advertisement is going to offering the fest festival through discounts, through stock clearance, that it is going to attracting with the advertisement.